Hello there! Today we are going to learn shapes and the colors. So let's start with a cube here. Alright, this is an arrow. This is a diamond. This is a heart. This is a rectangle. And this is a flower. Alright, this is done, so let's choose the colors. For the cube, we are taking pink color. Alright, and this is a pink cube. For the arrow, I am taking green color. And I have a green arrow here. For the diamond, I am taking orange. Alrighty, this is an orange diamond. For the heart, of course I'm taking red color. Okay, this is a red heart. For the rectangle, I am taking blue color. And for the flower, I'm gonna take a yellow color. I love it. These colors look beautiful. Thanks for watching.